formulas. Okay, and when it comes to the application, we have to understand or remember the cast rule. Okay, I cannot stress the importance of knowing the cast rule, because the cast rule is the one thing that holds all of this together, or that makes all of these things to make sense. Okay, so we know that according to the cast rule, we have an A here, meaning all trig ratios are positive. We have a C here, meaning that cos is the only positive one. We have an S there, meaning that sine is the positive. And then we have a tan there, meaning that we have a T, meaning that tan is the only positive one. Okay. Now, let's say we are given a situation whereby we are given sine of theta plus 360 degrees, and then we have to simplify this. Now, the first thing that we take note of is the angle. Okay, we analyze the angle first, and by analyzing this angle, what do I mean by this? We basically think to ourselves, where in the Cartesian plane does this angle land, or where is this angle situated in our Cartesian plane? Okay, we see that it is in our first quadrant. Okay, and then we know that in the first quadrant sine is positive. So as a result of that, we say that this is equal to positive sine theta. Okay, so this is how we simplify these things. And then let's say we have cos of theta minus 360 degrees. Okay, we do the very same thing. We ask ourselves about this angle. In which quadrant does this angle belong? And the answer is quadrant 1. And then we ask ourselves another question. In quadrant 1, is cos positive or negative? And we know that cos is definitely positive, so we know that this will simplify to positive cos theta. Okay, and then let's do another one. Let's say we are given tan of negative theta. Okay, now the very same thing happens in this case. We ask ourselves, negative theta, in which quadrant will this angle be in? And the answer is, it is in the fourth quadrant. Now, in the fourth quadrant, is tan positive or negative? We know that the tan ratio in the fourth quadrant is negative, so this will give us a result of negative tan theta. Okay, negative tan theta. And then let's do another one. Let's say we are given an expression whereby we have to evaluate tan of 180 degrees minus theta. Okay, now 180 degrees minus theta is an angle that is situated in the second quadrant. And now, is tan positive or negative in the first quadrant? The answer is tan is negative there. So the answer will be negative.
Hey there, please note that this was just a portion of the actual session. You can find the complete session on our YouTube channel. I have attached the link to the channel on the comment section. Go check it out. Don't forget to like, share, and follow us on all social media platforms. See you on the next